I want to see your caterpillars. That is so gross.
Yeah, it is.
Are you proud of your caterpillars?
Yeah.
Have you given them names?
Yeah, one's Isabel, one's name is Alice, and the other one's Chloe.
Isabel, Alice, and Chloe, huh?
And one of them,
All girls.
And that's what you named them?
and
I like Chloe. I like all of those names. Those are awesome names,
Yeah.
August.
and I got some nicknames for them.
You got some
Little N, E, and what was the last one? Glee.
Like River.
Let me, you tell me.
Cree.
Cree? What? So which one's which?
None of them are witch.
What's their names? I mean, which one? No, which caterpillar's name is which?
This is, his name is,
Is that Isabel?
Lillian, and those are real, the names of my uncle said, they're
Big
listening
one's
to things.
Isabel.
Do you get them confused? I would get them confused. They all look like bird poop to me.
The big one is one of them.
Oh, that is so gross. Well, awesome, August. I just thought I might get a clip about some caterpillars.
I've had him in his bug catcher for a couple of days, I think.
Oh, don't do that, August. You should not leave them in your bug cage overnight. You should let them eat, okay?
Where are they, August?
He's been keeping them in that little sand bucket, I thought, but I didn't see them until just now because I guess I wasn't looking for bird poop caterpillars. Okay, anyway.
Them really all look like bird poop. I just told them.
We ought to go find out what they're really called. Wouldn't be too hard, you know. I got a computer. You want to?
I got them in my bug book.
You got one in your bug book? Well, go find that. Don't take them nasty things in my house. Go find that bug book and see if you can't find what their names
Mama,
are.
Just don't please let them crawl everywhere. Because I want them to
No, I'm not babysitting your caterpillars.
Can you, Uncle?
That looks like bird crap, dude.